Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. We are already in the thick of it. My water is ready and we are cooking a low country boil, so come along and let's get cooking. So you guys are gonna see this done a few different ways. I even make it a few different ways. This time I'm using the Zatarain's crab boil in a bag. I am cooking for about 10 people, so I'm using 2 of them today. But I'm gonna put this right in my boiling water before I add anything else. So it's so handy. You just put that in there. Then I'm gonna put another one. Look at that. It comes with all the seasonings. It's so nice. Now I do add other things, but that at least gets it going. So after you let it boil for about 10 minutes with the bags, I'm gonna throw in some lemons. Some of them I'm gonna squeeze. Others I'm just gonna put in here for flavor. And then I'm adding some potatoes. These are red potatoes. And then I put the Tony Chachere's on there. That's what I do. You don't have to do that. That's my recipe. So we're gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes before we throw our next ingredients in here. Obviously the potatoes take the longest. So stand back, be very careful. This is about 7 pounds of potatoes. There you go. Give it a little stir, set your timer, and it's gonna sit here and get happy. Almost forgot I have to add the Worcestershire. So just, you know, whatever you like. There's really no way to mess this up except to not have enough seasoning. So, you know, I am in the camp of over season. I'm gonna throw a little bit of Old Bay in there, not a ton, because like I said, I've already put the bags in there. And then I also did this is Human Florida. And then I did the Tony Chachere's, so. But we will taste it later to make sure we have enough seasoning on there. All right, it has been going for about 12 minutes. I'm actually gonna add in a couple of few bottles of beer. You don't have to do that. If you don't do that though, go ahead and add some broth, but I am adding the beer. And I have no idea about beer. This is a Shiner Bock. This would look good. So we're gonna just pour that right in there. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. Pretty color of beer. Typically I would only use like 1 or 2 bottles. It just depends on the size of your pot. This one calls for 3. This is not where you pull out like the Natty Light, okay? Don't be putting Natty Light in your crab boil. This is, you gotta do like a pale ale. Is that right? Like a pale ale. You want like a thicker, but not like Guinness. So kind of hoppy beer. Okay, now we're gonna add in our corn. Now I am not just dumping this in there. I'm gonna set them in there like not one by one, but you don't want it to splash up on you. Now this is cold corn, so it is gonna drop the temperature of your water. So you just have to be mindful of that when you're timing your cooking. Once we get all of this in here, it's gonna go for about 5 to 6 minutes. I just get the frozen little half corns. They work out the best. When you go to put this on the table, you're gonna put like salt and pepper and then some melted butter and all cocktail sauce, you know, all the fun little sides. And I like to serve mine with garlic bread. So this is a mixture of beef kielbasa, pork kielbasa, and andouille sausage. So it's a mixture, and then just some yellow onion and more lemon. And I put the Tony Chachere's seasoning on there. I prefer that over Old Bay. Comment down below, let me know your preference if you have one. All right, so I added the crab legs. They go for about 5 minutes, and now I'm adding the shrimp, and they are the last piece to the puzzle. Again, they have the Tony Chachere's on here, and this is about 6 pounds of shrimp. You don't want them peeled. They have the, they're not peeled, and they have the tails, so, but they are deveined. And they'll go for about 3 minutes, and then you're ready to go. And the crab legs are last. So, yes.
Stuff and doing it in layers is really easy.
Yep. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That looks great.
I don't want to haul that pot out to the campsite.
Maybe a little bit smaller pot. In South Carolina, we call it a Frogmore stew. I don't know why. Maybe some people might put frog legs in it, I bet. We do not.
Or maybe the person who invented it, their last name's Frogmore.
I like that one better than putting frog legs in it.
I want to put some more frog in there.
So the proper way to eat this is to just take some butcher paper, put it on a table, dump this out, and everybody just stand around and eat it. But we're not going to do it like that. We're going to put it in our fancy little trays here and set it out and paper plate it and just have fun with it. So it's great for a crowd pleaser, and it's great for like football Sunday. And I like cooking it outside better than inside because there's so many smells that will last forever. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Comment down below, let me know, do you like this kind of thing, or is this would not be your cup of tea? But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.